Hey everyone, this is Ignacio from Cisco Tech. In this video, we are going to explain what the host hardware system board status server means and how to troubleshoot it on a HyperFlex server. Essentially, this alert gets triggered because the system event log storage is full, so you need to determine why. This storage can be filled with old logs, and clearing it can do the trick. You will find a video on how to clear these in the description. Now, let's just start by discarding hardware errors. Are there any visible alerts? For example, correctable or uncorrectable memory errors, storage controller, or any disk alert? If there are any, please open a ticket with Cisco Tech so we can analyze the failure and replace the part if required. If there is none, you can check the cell logs to look for any different alert that can be repeating itself multiple times. Now, say you don't find anything clear on the logs. Your next step is to discard software compatibility issues. This is unlikely for a server running HyperFlex because it must be using the OS custom image. However, if you have made any manual changes, this is worth checking. Have there been any recent OS, firmware, or driver upgrade? If yes, you will need to check it against Cisco's compatibility matrix. The link is on the screen. In this matrix, you can filter by hardware model, OS vendor, OS version, and device. So find out which driver is recommended for that item. If a certain firmware version is not displayed, it means it is not compatible with that OS version. Also, if the driver you installed is above the recommended one, you're good. After all this has been checked, the alert and the cell logs cleared, if the issue remains, please open a case with Cisco Tech so we can assist you further. You can see for this example, the recommended driver version for this Intel card is 2.5.2. And that was it for this video. I hope this was useful to you. Thank you for watching.